Want to know how to take off this door panel? Let's do it. First and foremost, before I forget, we gotta roll down this window. Now, if you notice, mine's kind of stiff, so if you got a stiff window, I'll put a video here on how to fix it. One of the most important things you need to know is that right here there is a retaining clip for this guy. You take it out with a small flathead. Just try not to lose it. Here it is. We're good. Alright, next we're going to take off the armrest and we're going to take out this screw right here. I am just all thumbs today. Now if you get those screws loose and it goes like this, don't worry, there's a screw on the underside that holds it in place. So we're fine. Now we can move on to the next step. Now for you, if it's stock, all of yours should be flatheads. I decided to change out my hardware, so that's why I'm using a nut driver. Assuming you got all your hardware out, now it should be the part where we take it off. Now we're just going to make this a little bit easier by locking the door. Make sure you don't have any hang-ups. I've got a hang-up right here. Alright, we're good here. Now if you can, just squeeze your fingers in right behind here. As you get it, there's some clips on the inside, but they're almost impossible to get out without the proper tool. Probably should have gotten the proper tool. Oh well. Alright, now we're free up here. We just have the door handle in the way, so. Alright, now we're done. Now in order to put it back on, just do that whole thing in reverse. The eagle's out. Y'all have fun, be safe, make good choices. Have a great day. Now in order to put it back on, shut up, Talia. Now in order to put it back on, now in order to put